Largest machines ever made by man. Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, is the world's largest and highest energy particle collider and the largest machine in the world. It was built by the European Organization for Nuclear Research, CERN, between 1998 and 2008, in collaboration with over 10,000 scientists and hundreds of universities and laboratories, as well as more than 100 countries. It lies in a tunnel 27 kilometers, 17 miles, in circumference and as deep as 175 meters, 574 feet, beneath the France-Switzerland border near Geneva. The first collisions were achieved in 2010 at an energy of 3.5 teraelectron volts, TeV, per beam, about 4 times the previous world record. After upgrades it reached 6.5 TeV, per beam, 13 TeV total collision energy, the present world record. The aim of the LHC's detectors is to allow physicists to test the predictions of different theories of particle physics, including measuring the properties of the Higgs boson and searching for the large family of new particles predicted by supersymmetric theories, as well as other unsolved questions of physics. Big Bertha. Big Bertha was a German siege howitzer built by Krupp AG in Essen, Germany and fielded by the Imperial German Army from 1914 to 1918. The M-Gerät had a 42 cm, 17 in caliber barrel, making it one of the largest artillery pieces ever fielded. It was first designed in 1911 and entered production the next year. Test firing began in early 1914, and the gun was estimated to be finished by October. When World War I broke out, the 2 available M-Gerät guns, still prototypes, were sent to Liège and destroyed Forts Pontis and Lanson. German soldiers bestowed the gun with the nickname Big Bertha, which then spread through German newspapers to the Allies, who used it as a nickname for all super-heavy German artillery. The Paris gun, used in 1918, after all Big Berthas had been removed from service, has historically been confused for the M-Gerät. Bagger 288. Bagger 288, Excavator 288, built by the German company Krupp for the energy and mining firm Rheinbraun, is a bucket wheel excavator, or mobile strip mining machine. When its construction was completed, in 1978, Bagger 288 superseded Big Muskie as the heaviest land vehicle in the world, at 13,500 tons. It took 5 years to design and manufacture, and 5 years to assemble, with total cost reaching $100 million in 1995. It was itself superseded by the slightly heavier Bagger 293, 14,200 tons. NASA's Crawler transporter still remains the largest self-propelled land vehicle in the world. Since bucket wheel excavators are powered by an external power source, and the Overburden Conveyor Bridge F60s hold the title of largest land vehicle of any type by physical dimensions. The Bagger 288 was built for the job of removing overburden before coal mining at the Hambach surface mine, in Germany. Crawler transporters. The Crawler transporters, formerly known as the Missile Crawler Transporter Facilities, are a pair of tracked vehicles, used to transport spacecraft from NASA's Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, along the Crawlerway to Launch Complex 39. They were originally used to transport the Saturn 1B and Saturn V rockets during the Apollo, Skylab and Apollo-Soyuz programs. They were then used to transport space shuttles from 1981 to 2011. The Crawler transporters carry vehicles on the mobile launcher platforms used by NASA, and, after each launch, return to the pad to take the platform back to the VAB. The 2 Crawler transporters were designed and built by Marion Power Shovel Company, using components designed and built by Rockwell International at a cost of $14 million each. Schwerer Gustav. Schwerer Gustav was a German 80 cm, 31.5 in, railway gun. It was developed, in the late 1930s by Krupp, in Ruggenwalde as siege artillery for the explicit purpose of destroying the main forts of the French Maginot Line, the strongest fortifications in existence at the time. The fully assembled gun weighed nearly 1,350 tons, 1,490 short tons, and could fire shells weighing 7.7 short tons, to a range of 47 kilometers, 29 miles. The gun was designed, in preparation for the Battle of France, but was not ready for action when the battle began, and, in any case the Wehrmacht's Blitzkrieg offensive through Belgium rapidly outflanked and isolated the Maginot Line's static defenses, eventually forcing the French to surrender and making their destruction unnecessary.